What is spirituality? There are two streams of knowledge. One is based on physical sciences, while the other is founded on moral and spiritual sciences. Spirituality, also known as metaphysics, is often confused with religion. Spirituality is a universal religion, a combination of all religions without any dogmas, rituals, superstitious practices, and mythological stories. In the context of a person, it is a branch of knowledge and suggestions, of codes of conduct to follow that ultimately lead to a happier and misery-free life. Spirituality connects one with oneself. It connects people with each other. One is eventually encouraged to find the sense of purpose in life. Spirituality gives value to our being. It is not very difficult to attain this because human beings are instinctively inclined towards spirituality, as it is deeply ingrained in us over the ages. The relevance of spirituality in the current context is often misunderstood because beliefs and theories in scriptures were based on the status of physical sciences available when saints and seers proposed those. Knowledge from physical sciences has grown a lot over the centuries, and we need to adapt those spiritual beliefs and theories keeping this in mind. Everything will then fall into place. In the present materialistic culture and civilization, human intelligence and energies get focused on one's satisfaction, and very little consideration is given to values of life. Spirituality defines the values to attain inner illumination, mental peace, tranquility, and mutual goodwill of humankind in general. Ethics combined with spiritual knowledge is the way to lead life. Ethics enables us to regulate our relationships with others who are directly or indirectly associated with us or are affected by our activities. It can be summarized by the maxim, "Don't do unto others what you don't want to be done unto you." Confucius. Ego is the center of all human activities in every individual. Spirituality guides us to harness our ego to attain heights of glory and exaltation. We must be watchful of our latent tendencies and infirmities, which can drag a person to the depths of misery and degradation. Spirituality teaches us how to find the right path to evolution, and ethics guides us to attain that level.
In conclusion, spirituality means self-awareness, which helps us to improve our lives as well as the lives of others. Hence, become aware and improve yourself and help others to do the same.
Stay blessed.